আচ্ছা, দেখা যাক আমরা আইডেন্টিক্যাল পার্টিকেলস পড়তে আসছি। So today we discuss about identical particles, and I will discuss these topics, this whole chapter as I can today. So first of all, identical. What is identical particles? Yeah, here you see here. You always follow my cursor. Um, then you see here there is identical particles. Identical particles that have exactly same intrinsic properties. Yeah, we also here I'm mention you that my English is not so good, but I always try to make a sense to you. Then and my target is to teach the PDF that here I have. Okay, so in or you should always follow my cursor. Where is my cursor? Okay, fine. Then look at this PDF, and here this is our identical particle um, writings on here. So we have to discuss this. First of all, what is identical particle? Look into Notion notepad, and here I note that identical particles that have exactly same intrinsic properties, like two electrons, two protons, two neutrons. They have same mass, same energy, same spin, same internal structure. That means if you consider two electrons, then it's half and half, half or plus half, minus half, plus half. So same charge, same spin. Yeah, this is called identical particle. Internal structure, you know about that. So if these four things are equal, then they must we must say that identical particle. Okay guys, today I will discuss about identical particles chapter that I can move here. Today our chapter is 8, and what is first of all, I I have to mention you some note that first of all, my English is not so good, but I'm trying to make sense to you. Then you should also track my cursor. Where is my cursor is going or not? You should follow this my cursor, and I will teach you from my note identical particle. This is not my note. This is my as a senior note of mine. So first of all, what is identical particle? You should write these notes in this exam, but to learn this, to understand these things, then you can follow me. Um and now uh, you should see my Notion pad, and you here see that what is identical particle. Identical particle that have exactly same intrinsic property. What is the intrinsic properties are like? They have same mass, they have same energy, same charge, same spin, same internal structure. Like two electrons, we can say that they are identical. Two protons, we can say that they are identical. Two neutrons, we can say that they are identical particles. So identical particles nothing but like two marvel in two place. That means they are identical particles. Their place is not mandatory here. We are not focused on their places. We are focused on their intrinsic properties. Okay, let's move the next. So this is our identical particle. In here note we can read it. Then indistinguishability of identical particles. Then we can classify the identical particles into category like distinguishable and indistinguishable particles. What is distinguishable? Distinguishable means if we can level and track them individually. Okay, if we place two marble, then they are identical, but they are also they are distinguishable. Why? We can track them for their places. This is called, we can trace them individually, and we can label them. Okay, this is distinguishable particle. Exchanging them produces different physical state. Okay, let I have to explain this line. What this line have said. Um, if we need if we take two particles, like at position x1 and at position x2 here, at position x1 and at position x2, then their overall wave function must be x1 and x2, the wave function of this of that system. Okay, so if we interchange the particles, then we must not have the same wave function. Here is shown. Their probability condition is also like that. The square of these things and the square of these things. Okay, fine. লিখিয়ে বুঝাইতাম তো